Is she a transsexual? Yes. Yes. Yes, she is.
A 40-year-old guy from the hood who portrays himself as the nature boy. His wife, queen, whatever you want to call it, is a trans. He's a self-proclaimed booty warrior.
Bitch, you can't touch her. She was sent to me. I ordered her myself, made her myself. Yeah, get the tea on that. Beautiful, ain't she? Look just like my baby mother. Take your hand, young baby. Eat.
I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon.
Eat. Eat. This is your new queen, motherfucker. This is your new queen, bitches. Eat. Feast. Yeah. Is she a transsexual? Yes. Yes. Yes, she is.
I'm at shock, man. Y'all supposed to be hood. Y'all supposed to be gangster in the community. What happened? In prison on rape and false imprisonment charges. Dang, yeah, he's in jail. And the thing is, this is real, guys. That's the crazy part about this. This is real. Like, but we cannot align ourselves with these type of men at all. Okay. Now I get y'all, you know, you love Biden. I know you love Biden. I know you love the Democratic Party.
Say, I told you to do Biden. Now we done lost a damn vote. We done lost a vote. That's gonna go to Trump. God damn.
Stop worshiping these people like they're fucking God.
Ain't nobody worshiping them. But God damn it, Chris, we need somebody in there with motherfucking sense.
But I'm just saying, guys, men, we need to be men. Right? I know they trying to take us out the household, but our sons need us. Look at that light-skinned dude in the back. Dude looks scared out of his mind. They are being controlled by an elite booty rogue warrior. What's up, guys? I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. This is the Coach Prunty podcast with the best videos on YouTube, trying to teach y'all. So anyway, we're going to get out of here. Peace.